So in our project, we wanted to make a decibel meter with sound reactive LEDs. So our goal was to create an LED array that would react to the intensity of the music, turning on when the music is louder, more LEDs when the music is louder. So in the planning phase, we had to work with a couple problems. First, the electret microphone that we used output very low voltages. So to remedy that, we used an op-amp to amplify that to something usable. But the problem with that is it didn't really match up to the voltages we would need for the LEDs. So what we did was used comparators to set certain thresholds at which the LEDs would turn on.
And here's the circuit that we came up with. Right here we have the microphone and op-amp, which increases the voltage up to 8 volts, ranging from 3 to 8 volts. And then on this side we have a resistor voltage divider network, which creates the threshold for the comparators. And once the volume voltage is past the threshold, it causes the comparator to turn off, resulting in the LEDs turning on because of the inverter. And here are the project tests. As you could see, the voltages turn on. The LEDs turn on once the voltage is past a certain level. And here are the LEDs reacting to music.